Hi, everybody. Welcome, everybody, to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Aino.
This is Fran, and here we're having a debate of how to say blueberries, blackberries, boxberries.
Whatever
So
berry.
we're doing blueberries, blueberry ice cream today.
With blueberry mousse. I
There
mean,
we
we're
go.
also discussing whether it's an ice cream or a mousse, right? But it's a frozen mousse.
It's an ice cream. Anyway, it's a great recipe we found in a book by a great chef, which is a Spanish chef called the Gypsy Chef. By the way, gypsies in Spain are never called Romas. Okay, that's a very, very important thing. Romas are the ones who come from Romania. Gypsies are the ones who come from Egypt. And the ones who arrived to Spain, they came from Egypt. So it is the Gypsy Chef. Very, very good chef. He has an amazing Instagram. So if you want to follow him, it's in Spanish, but it's a very, very good chef. And we learned this recipe from him and we loved it. Our kids love it. So that's what we're going to show you today.
Let's go.
So we're going to do a frozen
Blueberry mousse.
mousse, which is blueberry ice cream. Anyway, hi everybody. Welcome home. We're having to have a stupid day. Okay, so look at these beautiful flowers. It's like, oh my God, it's like a ray of sunshine in here. So how is everybody doing? We need to get the
Frozen blueberries.
frozen blueberries out of the freezer. There we go. Okay, so let me show you what you need. You need, of course, a lot of frozen blueberries. You need coriander, okay, cardamom, as we say in Spanish, brown sugar, lime, and these are two egg whites and a pinch of salt, okay? And then for decoration, we'll need the extra berries. Okay,
Perfect.
complicated.
Super complex. So you put the 2 egg whites. And okay, I need a spoon. Couple of
Oi.
Couple of tablespoons of brown sugar. A pinch of salt. A pinch of cardamom, coriander.
Cardamom.
Cardamom is complex as a word, though.
Well,
Pinch.
I love
And
becoming your grandmother. A pinch, a little,
to taste.
to taste. Anyway,
Oh, okay, anyway, the blueberries I love, but wow, the stains are...
yes. Be careful because if that blueberries,
Look at
how
that.
beautiful.
Right.
If blueberries fall in your clothes, you will probably not be able to take them out. That color is...
No, not even my mother.
Oh, your mom is a master of...
Yeah, master of stainless. Okay,
Okay, so
it's
you have
noisy.
the eggs, you have everything, and you're gonna see. Maybe.
Maybe we need to get a new NutriBullet. This is...
Maybe.
We can also do it with a Thermomix,
Yeah.
but you wouldn't see it. Looks good.
And
We need to add, once you have done this, look at the
texture.
texture.
Okay. Now the important thing is that you need to put inside the
Use
juice of
for
half a lime. This is what brings all the punch into it. I mean, I think it's the thing that changes the cardamom. No, the cardamom, coriander. Sorry. We have a very stupid day today, girl.
Because we are trying to make up words in English.
I know we're
don't
Anglicizing in
exist.
Spanish cardamom or coriander.
Coriander, cardamom,
Anyway.
whatever.
So yes, you just have to put a little bit of the juice of half a lime,
Have a lime.
and then
Let's
give
see
it another
how this
swirl.
goes.
Give it another shake it.
Shake it.
Is that the berries are super frozen. Our freezer, it's like super powerful, so you need, maybe now it's gonna run a little bit better because it's not as cold as the
Yeah, I
beginning.
generally make this in the Thermomix, but not everybody has one, so we try. Well, not even a NutriBullet either. Hang on.
Yeah, if it's up there, no.
Oh shit!
You meant, holy cow!
Holy moly!
Holy moly! Today we have one of those strange days. Okay, look at that. Now everything is working. More. Oh,
So you see, it has changed color,
yep. Now it's a beautiful pinkish.
and it has like mounted. That's the lime. And this is what makes it more of a mousse and less of an ice cream, but let's say it's a
frozen mousse.
frozen mousse.
It's an ice cream, for God's sake.
Yeah, it's an ice cream. Right, why not? So, okay, right.
Okay, so let's see the texture of that. Oh my God, I love this.
Looks great, huh?
Yeah.
So we'll save a little for the kids.
You're gonna save them? You're too good.
Yeah, take them for dinner. Right, so.
Okay.
So what I do, just to make it look good, 1, 2, 3. I give myself 3, the smaller one, and I'll give you 4.
Oh.
So I might not.
And there's one
Fantastic wife.
more little thing.
One more little thing is that we can. Let's use this one.
This is of the lime that we have used. Just a little bit of it, and it gives. First of all, it gives.
Whoa!
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh! Oh gosh!
Well, it shouldn't have not gone inside. As I said, we are having kind of a difficult day today.
Today is the day.
So let's see if we can see this is falling. Yes, there we go.
I love the microplane. It's great. Okay, that's
So,
it.
Done.
You see the difference? That's yours and that's mine.
Well, yeah, you are the one serving. Well, we have more leftovers for the kids. If they don't make it, hey, it's because we eat it. Okay, our friends. So, are you trying to hide that you're eating the ice cream? No, this, as you can see, it's very healthy. It has no additives. It's just egg, a little bit of sugar, a lot of sugar, and
It's not the end of the world.
the blueberries. So easy, fresh for the summer, perfect combination. And the zest and all of that is what gives the punch, and the cardamom. No, coriander.
Coriander.
What else? If you like all of these recipes and you want to experience more of Spain, why don't you come to Spain? And the best way is with our travel agency. You can come through travelinthesteps.es. You can see the tours that we're going to do and enjoy them firsthand here. And with all of that said, everybody, we love you all.
Send us pictures.
And thank you so much for being this Sunday at home. We want to see you next week. Love you guys. Adios.